In this video, you will learn how easy it is to pair your Intermatic Long-Range Wireless Switch with its Remote-Control Fob. The first step is to make sure that the switch is properly installed and connected to a power source. On the Remote-Control Fob, press and hold the first on button for 5 to 10 seconds until the LED flashes green, then release the button. Next, hold the switch button for 5 to 10 seconds until its bottom LED flashes green. Your remote fob is now paired to your long-range switch. You can test the feature by pressing the on and off buttons on your fob to make sure it's controlling the connected lights. If you want to connect an additional switch, simply repeat the pairing process using the fob's second on button. If you need to unpair the switch and fob, press and hold the on button on the fob for 10 to 15 seconds until the LED flashes green and then red. Next, hold the switch button for 10 to 15 seconds until its LED also flashes green and then red. Your devices are now unpaired. Please note that the top LEDs and 1 and 2 buttons on the switch are for future firmware updates and are not functional at this time. The included AAA batteries in the fob are designed to last up to 10 years. When they are running low, the fob's LED will blink red every 30 seconds. To replace the batteries, use a small screwdriver to unscrew the back cover. Next, take a small flathead screwdriver, or preferably a plastic non-marring tool to pop out the bottom. Then run the non-marring tool along the edge of the fob to separate the top piece from the bottom piece until they can be snapped apart by hand. Swap out the old AAA batteries with 2 new ones, making sure the positive and negative ends are placed correctly. Once the new batteries are in, snap the back cover into place and tighten the screw. And if you get stuck at any point in the process, you can contact technical support through the information listed on the screen. If you have questions or comments, please leave them below or visit intermatic.com. And be sure to check out our other videos on YouTube or the Intermatic website for more tutorials.